Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can post on Binance app from your mobile phone. For that, you just have to open your Binance app on your mobile phone and log into your Binance account. Once you are on your account, here at the home page, just scroll up and here you will see there is a plus icon here at the right side, very right side. Click on this plus icon and now click on this post option. Now here is your post option or section. Just type what you want to write about cryptocurrency or anything that you want to share with the Binance audience. After you can use hashtags Bitcoin or hashtag anything. You can use any coin that you want to highlight. Just you have to enter this the dollar option and now you can select any coin that you want. So after when you write your post, just simply click on this publish option and your post will be shared on Binance app and everyone can read and can react and can comment on your post.